This is the first problem. Observe Modi. Solution. Integration from 2 to 3. So 1 over x square minus a square format ಇದೆ. So 1 over x square minus a square formula ಗೊತ್ತು 1 over 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a. Okay, formula apply ಮಾಡಿ. So 1 over 2a. So a is 1a. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ log of modulus of x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So limits from 2 to 3. So limits from 2 to 3. So 1 by 2 na separate carry ಮಾಡಿ. So log of upper limit. So 3 minus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. So right, minus so log of what? So 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So right, complete aita. Yes, 1 by 2 into so log of so 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4, and that means so 1 by 2. So right, so 1 by 2 is positive, so no need to write modulus. Minus so log of so 1 divided by 3. So right, so rest so log 1 by 2 minus log 1 by 3. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ log m minus log n ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So log of so m by n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 by 1 by 3 means 3 by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. So log of 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 into log of 3 by 2. Okay, so next problem integration from 2 to 3, integration from 2 to 3 x divided by so x square plus 1 into dx. Integration from 2 to 3 x divided by x square plus 1. Solution. So really x square plus 1 derivative is what? 2x. Really 2x illa we can multiply 2 divided by 2 mark. Yes, 1 by 2 into so integration from 2 to 3. So 2x divided by so 1 plus x square or x square plus 1. Okay, so now it reduces to known integral formula f dash of x divided by f of x. What is the formula f dash of x divided by f of x? Yes, so 1 by 2, so let it be same. So f dash of x divided by f of x is what? So log of f of x. So f of x here x square plus 1. So limits from 2 to 3. So limits from 2 to 3. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into first apply the upper limit. So x is equal to 3. So means log of 3 square is 9 plus 1 is 10. So log 10 minus so log so x is equal to 2 square is 4 plus 1 is 5. So right, so 1 by 2 into log m minus log n is so log 10 by 5. So means 2. And the 1 by 2 into so log 2. So 1 by 2 into log 2 is the required answer. So next question. So 1 by 1 solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. So very simple questions ಇದಾವೆ. Yes, next integration from 0 to pi by 2. Integration from 0 to pi by 2 cos square x into dx. Cos square x into dx is very simple. Solution I is equal to integration from 0 to pi by 2. So cos square x using trigonometric identities, right? Yes, cos square x can be written as what? First write the given problem, cos square x into dx. So integration from 0 to pi by 2. We know the trigonometric identity. Cos square x is what? 1 plus cos 2x. Yes, 1 plus cos 2x. So divided by 2 into dx. So 1 by 2 is constant. So take outside. Yes, 1 by 2 into integration from 0 to pi by 2. So 1 plus cos 2x into dx. Now apply the integration. So 1 by 2 into, what is the integration of 1 with respect to x? X plus integration of cos to x is what? Sin to x. So upon 2. Now our limit of integration is 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. First apply the upper limit. So 1 by 2 into x is equal to pi by 2. X is equal to pi by 2 plus, so at x is equal to pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 is what? Pi. Means there is a sin pi. So by 2. This is the upper limit minus lower limit at x is equal to 0. 0. So here sin 0 by 2. This is the lower limit of integrations. So this part totally becomes 0, right? So here 1 by 2 into, so pi by 2, sin pi value, sin pi is 0, yes, 0, minus something 0 is 0, right? So pi by 2 into 1 by 2 is what? Pi by 4. So pi by 4 is the required answer. So next one, so integration from 0 to 1 over, so 1 plus x square into dx. Integration from 0 to 1, so 1 over 1 plus x square into dx. Now the standard form agidiyala, solution I is equal to integration from 0 to 1, so 1 over x square plus 1 square into dx. So integrand galna tumba chenaಗಿ observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 1 over x square plus a square integration is what? 1 over a into tan inverse x by a. So here a is how much? 1. So this is what? 1 over 1 into tan inverse x by 1, right? So what is the integration? So tan inverse x. So limits from 0 to 1. Limits from 0 to 1. First apply the upper limit. Is a tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Already, so we have done as a inverse trigonometry functions. A tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4. Yes, tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. So tan inverse 0 is 0. So answer is pi by 4. This is a pi by 4. The next question, so very simple questions, basic question. Integration from 0 to 1. So 1 over square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Integration from 0 to 1 over square root of 1 minus x square into dx. Okay, solution I is equal to integration from 0 to 1. So 1 over square root of, what is the formula is there? A square minus x square. So means 1 square minus x square. What is the formula? Integration of 1 over square root of a square minus x square is what? Sin inverse x by a. Here a is 1. Okay. So sin inverse so x. So limit of integration from 0 to 1 is the first upper limit. Sin inverse 1 minus sin inverse 0. So what is the sin inverse of 1? Sin inverse 1 is what? Pi by 2. Okay. So pi by 2. Sin inverse 0 is 0. So pi by 2 is the required answer. Very clear?